Okay, we have an Airy Seiki CNC drilling and tapping center with a 4th axis table and tail stock. Model A Series 560, serial number LORA066. Machine was new in November of 2008, and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Mitsubishi control, side mount tool changer, BT30 Big Plus spindle. That's 2,500 RPM. It's very quiet. 4,500. Machine goes up to 15,000 RPM. 7,500. Very, very quiet. You have telescopic weight covers. 9,500 RPM. You have a 20+1 side mounted tool changer, by the way. Whoop, very fast tool change. Travels in the machine are 22.05 in the X, 15.75 in the Y, and 13.78 in the Z. Yep, he's moving the 4th axis rotary table. Again, you have a Mitsubishi M70 4-axis CNC control. The rotary table has a 5.94-inch faceplate, and you do have the tailstock. That's your as your X travel. You heard your Y and your Z. All right, so you've heard the X, Y, and Z. You saw the 4th axis move. You've seen us do tool change, and hey, thank you for watching our video.